10 Americans are dead and 2 more have been seriously injured because of a hidden danger that could be sitting inside any used car in America. Federal safety regulators say the problem is a replacement driver air inflator, not the original airbag that came with the car from the original manufacturer, but a replacement. The kind that may be installed after a crash or after the original airbag deploys, or something like the airbag was stolen. The markings investigators are focusing on are DTN60DB. That is the identifier the NHTSA says appears on these dangerous replacement airbag inflators. They were likely imported illegally into the United States, and the NHTSA say these inflators have now been linked to 12 serious crashes. 10 people have died, 2 more were severely injured, and according to federal regulators, those crashes should have been survivable. That's the part that makes this so disturbing. In a normal crash, the airbag is supposed to inflate and protect the driver, but the NHTSA says these replacement inflators can rupture instead. That means the airbag does not simply fail. It can explode, and when it does, it can send metal fragments into drivers' chests, neck, eyes, or face. In plain English, the part that is supposed to save your life can become the thing that kills you. If one of these DTN60DB inflators is found, the NHTSA says the vehicle should not be driven until it is replaced with a genuine original equipment part. This is not really a car brand story. It is not even a normal recall story. This is a used car repair story. The car may look fine. The steering wheel may look normal. The recall search may come back clean. But if the wrong replacement airbag was installed after the earlier crash, the danger could still be sitting inches from the driver's face. 10 Americans have already died. 2 more have been seriously injured, and federal safety regulators are warning that the only way to know whether your vehicle is affected in an inspection is have it checked. The most dangerous thing in a used car may not be the crash that it has already been in. It may be the part that was installed after the crash. I'm Nik Miles.